Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to add or upload files on Grok. So if you also want to add or upload files on Grok, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Grok application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Grok application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the bottom of this application, you can see over here you'll be able to find the message bar. From here you'll be able to ask anything to Grok. Over here you'll be able to find the options like deep search, think, etc. Right over here you'll be able to find the plus icon. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find three options over here: camera, photos and files. So if you want to upload the files, what you have to do is tap on the files option that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to upload the files. So simply tap on the file that you want to upload. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the select option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can type in any command of your choice. Here I'm just going to type in summarize. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the file has been uploaded. Wait for a while and Grok will respond to you. So like this, you'll be able to add or upload files on Grok. So that is how you add or upload files on Grok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.